And here's the fan in the room over here. This one does work. It's not squeaking anymore. I guess they had to have it run or something.
What?
It's not squeaking anymore, making that weird ticking noise. I guess it had to be run for a while. So the bearings would over fix themselves. So like they straighten up and not making that noise anymore.
Yeah.
And it also has a vent blade to show them. Turn it on low.
It's been a long day.
See, that's low with the light on. See, the fan works too. It's a nice looking fan, but it has a squeak to it. That's low. And I believe it has a reverse. I think it goes the other way too. Tell me what kind of fan this is in the comments. That one. It's the fan right there. Making video of it. And here's off. Here, yep, that's off.
Hi, babe.
Oh. Well, that still has a broken light on it, that fan. So this one, I think, can go in reverse, and it's warm. So here's reverse. Yeah, it goes in reverse, too. So it's in reverse. With the light on. It goes in reverse, too. Kind of seasoning smells weird. Look, it's in reverse. It has a reverse. That's the same one as in the other room upstairs. It's this doesn't make a squeak noise because that one might be actually better than the. And plus, the ceiling's up there pretty low to even have a fan up there in that room. And that one, let's turn it to medium. 1, 2. And with the light on. The light on. In reverse. See, it works. That one won't work. See, that one won't work. This one does. Light off, fan off, and fan now on high speed with light on. Now it's on high in reverse for some reason. It's weird. At least it's not squeaking. I think it fixed itself. So that one's on high now. That's a pretty fast high. And with the light off. See, making a video of this one. That one works, the other one doesn't. And this one's now in reverse. Counterclockwise. The other way. See, look, it stops. See, it stops, and it goes in reverse. There it goes again. We're going to go 0 to high and make a spin down. See how long it takes to spin down. And it's on high. And it's still on. And off. Now let's watch it slow down. This should be fun. Let's just slow down for a while. It's going to take a while to slow down. You must like turn your neck or something and fucking strain it. That's the only thing I can think of. Like maybe we could do it. I believe this fan is like a 48-inch fan. And it's saggy too. That was like you see how that was like a minute and that slowing down? The bearings need to be cleaned. That took like a minute to slow down. My fan in my kitchen takes 10 minutes to slow down. The bearings on that are better than this 48-inch one in here. Now let's go 0 to high. There. And then do it again, but with the light on, and then have off light. It's on now. I don't know how did you get this fan in the house, but it's one of the rare ones you never find in other houses. It's a 48-inch. I think I could take a picture of it and I'll tell you the name of it.
Because this house is old as new.
Yeah. Yeah, but I could take a picture of it and it could tell me what kind of fan it is.
Yeah.
It will show me the name of it. And it actually it has like a minute slowdown time. Our fan in our kitchen takes 10 minutes to slow down. It's a really good fly. What the heck are these lights in here? A spotlight, those and those. That goes to a building right here, this light. Imagine if you should put a fan in the kitchen when it gets hot. When it gets real hot in here, just put a fan right there. There it goes. With the light on. 1, 2, 3. Now let's watch it slow down with the light on. Because I want to see it with the light on. I have to take a picture of that fan after the video. Oh, there it goes. See, it has a bad spin down time. Look at that. It stopped already. Alright. That was the worst spin down time I ever seen. I never seen a spin down time where it takes a minute to slow down. The bearings on this might be fried. It's windy still. Now, let's do it in reverse with the slow down now. So now it's, I turned it off. It's in reverse. Now let's watch it slow down in reverse with the light on. Because I probably want to see that too. Yeah, I'm going to also do the slow down in reverse.
Who thought this was a good idea? People who ask and then answer their own questions in a great
I was wondering why you were making that face when you were coming up on the porch. You want more, or is that good?
one stop shop for sharks.
Grandma, Kayla, it's done. You guys are hungry.
Okay.
Oh, you guys going to eat?
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, look, it's in reverse now. Look. See? In reverse. And now, 1, 2, 3. In reverse. So watch it slow down in reverse now with the light on. Watching it slow down. I'm really going to have to take a picture of this fan and see what fan it is.
Oh my god.
Is this supposed to be some big dining room or something?
Yep.
How would they put a 42-inch fan in a dining room? That's good. That one ain't upstairs because the ceiling up there is really low. I'm surprised you can even have a fan up on the ceiling up there. Unless you didn't bonk your head yet on that fan from upstairs. And yeah, it stopped already. Off. Reverse and 1, 2, 3. So